Recently in California, Senate Bill 1414 went up for a vote. What that stated was that it stopped the sale of children, made it a felony if you were caught selling children, which means, sex trafficking, sexual assault, child trafficking.
We are particularly concerned that the harsher penalties proposed in this bill will disproportionately impact marginalized communities, especially members of the LGBTQ community, who already suffer from systematic biases within the criminal justice system, particularly when it comes to sexually based offenses. Studies have shown that LGBTQ people, particularly gay and transgendered individuals, are more likely to be charged with sex offenses compared to their heterosexual counterparts. For instance, LGBTQ individuals are 9 times more likely to be charged with sodomy. Measures like SB 1414 lead to higher rates of incarceration, longer sentences, and increased difficulties in finding housing and employment.
A lot of the trans liberal extremists fought to not get it passed because they have a belief that it will target their community. Well, where I come from, when you break the law, it doesn't matter who you are or what you are. This applies to everybody. If you're charged with for sodomizing a child and you go to prison for a very long time, that is exactly how it's supposed to go. So for them to fight and say this is unfair for their community and that the trans community will be targeted with this, well, I got an idea and a suggestion. How about they just don't commit the crimes that will cause for them to go to prison for the rest of their lives? How about don't touch children? How about we don't have sex trafficking with children? So for this bill not to pass, that is that typical liberal California trans extremist mindset.